I'm logging the moisture content now.
Perfect. This batch is heading straight to the pizza line.
This batch looks excellent.
Yeah, very few calls today.
The oregano looks perfect. Trim these lower stems before crating. Yes, right away.
All units, we are clear of the gate. Accelerating to highway speed now. Keep the formation tight.
Roger that, Convoy 7. Proceed to the main inspection bay.
Good morning. Everything looks correct here. You are cleared for Dock 3.
All right, thank you very much.
Seal number confirmed, 2-4 Tango.
Copy. Bringing the load in now.
And the manifest matches the barcode scan.
Is this the premium tomato shipment? Yes, direct it to receiving line 1 immediately.
Make sure these tomatoes are firm before they move past the scanner. We need this lane clear for the olive shipment coming in.
Temperature is stable at 34 degrees.
Humidity is good. We can approve the release.
Is the sorting line ready for the first batch? Almost. Just finalizing the water pressure now.
Keep an eye on the color consistency here.
All right, making sure they're all ripe before the drum.
Everything within parameters? Yes, the flow rate is perfect.
Looks good. Adelante. Escaneado. Fully complete.
Look at the fat content stabilization here. Yes, that confirms the consistency across the batches.
The texture is holding up well under the light, recording a 7 for chewiness. Agreed. Flavor profile is consistent with the baseline.
We need that Domino's shipment moved to Bay 4, stat. Copy that, moving now.